What's up? It's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my Louis Vuitton Supreme Vans. I hand painted mine. I know a lot of people airbrush theirs and it would make it a little bit more easy without as many mistakes, but I did mine hand painted so that way if someone wanted to recreate them, they wouldn't have to have an airbrush gun or anything. So these are mine. You can hand paint them, and I'm going to show you guys how to do them today. This is the other shoe. I did the patterns a little bit differently on each shoe. So I wanted to show you guys how I did that. I'm going to link all the acrylics in the description bar below. Before I start, a quick disclaimer. I just made these Vans for fun. If someone asked me if these were real, I would obviously say no. I just did this as a little DIY because I saw that they were selling them on Etsy for $200. When I looked up DIY Vans, I had three options. I was either going to make a Minnie Mouse or the Louis Vuitton Vans or a pair of bandana Vans to look like little red bandanas. I thought that would be cute too. But I asked a couple of my friends and all said they wanted to see the Louis Vuitton Vans, so I thought I would make those. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so everything in this video I wanted to make sure that most of the stuff you would have around your house. So I did put bags in my shoes to support my shoes as I was painting them. You can use newspapers, just whatever you have to put in your shoes to make sure they don't bend around on you. My stencil, I just printed off the computer and cut the inside of the lettering out. And then once you have it perfectly placed on your shoe, you're just going to go over it once. I made sure that on the P, I left a little bit of a center. On the E's, the lettering was too small, so in a second, you'll see me going back over Supreme and just dotting the inside of the E's with a toothpick. And this is the first shoe. I did that one off camera so it wouldn't take too long, and this is the second shoe. I freehanded my pattern using the pattern underneath my shoe as a reference. You can stencil yours, but I wanted to freehand mine to cover up any dirt stains in certain areas that I wanted to cover them. And now I'm just going to outline the pattern first and then filling it in afterwards.
Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like Kung Fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, but I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Oh baby, if you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want it. Yeah, I just wanna. I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself.
star, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. Now this don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and out with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this. Perfect soulmate, I wanna show it my best friend. She saved my life, my happy end in hard times.
Oh baby, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. I just want it. Hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. I just want it. Hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. Oh baby.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
So after you have the outlining done, you go back in and fill in the middle of the designs. I do this a few times, and so it's not perfect at first, but I do go back in with a toothpick afterwards and just make sure the lines are really precise.
Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets.
And here I take a red toothpick and just outline the inside of the designs with a little bit of red paint to make sure that the lines are clear as possible. After that, I take this off camera, and any transparent white spots you see, I go back through and paint them one last time.
Ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh. Told my boss that I'm done. Had no luck with my mom. Say, what will you do with your life? You know it's hard to survive. A cigar in my mouth. Maybe guilty but proud. Now I'm an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running low. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running low. Keep running low.
And for the final step, I take a Q-tip that I ripped off the fuzzies on the end and I'm just dotting the insides of the designs with white and the other ones with red. And these are them after I touched them up and put a fresh pair of laces on them. I think they're so cute. I'm so glad I did it. I was gonna throw them away, and for $1.50 for a pair of laces, and I already had the paint, so to fix up a pair of Vans that I was gonna throw away, I think that's amazing. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as comment down below if you guys have any questions, and subscribe if you'd like. It would mean the world to me. I post every Tuesdays and Thursdays. This video's out a little late, so it's on a Friday. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.